In order to do the title tool in Avid Media Composer, I'm just gonna position the indicator over this clip. That's fine. Or if you want it over black, that's fine. Doesn't really matter. You go to Tools, and then all the way on the bottom, Title Tool Application, and then Avid's gonna load up for a second. You'll see it on the bottom of the screen here. We have Marquee Title Tool. I'm going to use Title Tool. Notice I have the image of where my indicator is, but if I want to turn that off, notice right here, video background on the bottom, I can just turn that off, and right there. If I go to the letter T, I now have the black screen. If I turn that off, I just press anywhere there, and I'm going to write Tom, edited by Tom Kenny. There it is. And then I go to the cursor right there. I can move it over if I need to. Or I have the hand. I can kind of place the whole thing where it needs to be. I can make some shapes. For example, I have the line, circle, and square, so I'll just make a nice line here. There we go, we have a line. Right here I have the different titles, fonts I can make it, so if I go back to the letter T and I highlight this, right now here in Geneva, I can just select a different one, different text, right? And then the size right here, I would keep that highlighted and change the size if I wanted. I bold and italicized here. And I can change the color too. You can change the color of this thing. I can make it red. So I made it a little red and with a little white tint. So I got two sides of the fill right there. So that's it. We have the roll and the crawl there, but I'm just going to leave, if you want scrolling credits, you'll do roll. If you want to crawl, like crawl from the right and the left and off the screen, you'll hit select the crawl credits, but we want standard. So that's it. It's just basically going through the different settings and just typing away. When you're done, you just exit out. I want to save title. I'm going to make put it in my subclips bin for now, but you might want to make a new bin and title it text. I'm going to put opening text, hit save, and there it is. It already appeared in my source. So I'm going to make an in point and out point here, and I'm going to put it above my clip. It went a little bit long, so I'm going to shorten it a little bit. So I put it right on top of V2. Now I can't see it. Why? Because notice my monitor on V2 is not turned on. So if I'm on my timeline, I got to make sure that monitor is turned on. And there it is. I can now see that track. So there it is. It's above the track. I can see my text, and I'm pretty happy with how it looks. And that's how you do text in Avid Media Composer.